Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to channel for in-depth, unbiased reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the KitchenAid 13-cup food processor, model KFP13117. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen, especially chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients for your favorite dishes, then stick around, because this could be the tool that changes how you prep. The KitchenAid 13-cup food processor is designed to be an all-in-one solution for your food prep needs. This model comes with a 13-cup work bowl, which gives you the capacity to handle large quantities of food, whether you're chopping vegetables for a big meal or preparing dough for multiple batches of cookies. The standout feature here is the externally adjustable exact slice disc, allowing you to quickly adjust the slicing thickness. Whether you're aiming for thick potato wedges or paper-thin slices for your salad, you can make it happen with a simple turn of the dial. What truly sets this processor apart is its in-bowl storage caddy. It's a convenient way to keep all your blades and discs neatly organized and easily accessible right inside the work bowl itself. No more digging through kitchen drawers for the right attachment. Additionally, the snap-and-go design makes assembly a breeze. The bowl twists into place with one simple click, and the latched lid ensures everything stays secure while you're processing. Another feature to note is the 3-in-1 feed tube, which is great for reducing prep time. It allows you to process a variety of ingredient shapes and sizes, from tomatoes to cucumbers to potatoes, all with minimal effort. The processor includes a multi-purpose blade, an adjustable slicing disc, and a shredding disc. So you're equipped to handle everything from chopping veggies to shredding cheese, all the way to making sauces and salsas. I had the chance to put this processor through its paces in my kitchen, and I've got to say, the setup is as easy as it gets. From unboxing to starting the first prep, everything clicks into place seamlessly. I tried a few different tasks, starting with chopping onions and tomatoes for a quick salsa. The exact slice disc made it simple to get the perfect thickness, and the 13-cup bowl held more than enough to make a batch that would feed a crowd. Later on, I tested the processor with some harder ingredients. I used the shredding disc to grate cheese for a pizza night. It was incredibly efficient, shredding everything evenly and quickly without any clogging or uneven results. For tougher jobs like kneading dough, it held its own. While it isn't a replacement for a stand mixer, it did a solid job mixing dough for bread. However, there are a few areas where the KitchenAid food processor might not shine as brightly. The 13-cup capacity is great for most families, but if you're working with smaller batches or limited kitchen space, it can feel a bit bulky. Also, while the blade and disc storage is convenient, I noticed that it can be a little tricky to access the attachments, especially when you're in the middle of a cooking rush. Let's talk about the value for money here. At a price point that's on the higher end for food processors, this KitchenAid model certainly isn't cheap. But when you compare it to other processors in the same price range, it's hard to ignore the quality of build and the convenience features it offers. Brands like Cuisinart and Breville offer similar models, but none have the same storage solution or the easy-to-use slicing disc. If you're looking for something that's going to make your kitchen more efficient and keep your counter clean and organized, the extra investment in this KitchenAid model could be worth it. When it comes to longevity, KitchenAid is a brand that has a solid reputation for making durable kitchen appliances. Their food processors in particular tend to last a long time with proper care. The materials used here, including stainless steel for the blades and sturdy plastic for the body, are high quality and designed for heavy use. Based on industry trends and KitchenAid's overall reputation, I'd expect this food processor to last for many years with minimal issues, provided you follow the recommended care instructions. Now, what about customer service? Fortunately, I didn't have any issues that required reaching out to KitchenAid support, but the brand is well known for providing responsive and helpful customer service. They offer a 1-year limited warranty on this food processor, and there are plenty of online resources available if you run into any problems down the line. As for updates, this product doesn't require any firmware or software updates, which is typical for a kitchen appliance. It's a simple, mechanical product designed to do one thing really well: make food prep easier. In summary, the KitchenAid 13-cup food processor is a reliable, high-quality product that offers a wide range of features to simplify your meal prep. From the adjustable slicing disc to the convenient storage caddy and easy-to-use design, it's a versatile tool for any kitchen. While it may be a bit large for those with limited space or small batches, it excels in efficiency and functionality. If you're looking for a solid, durable food processor that will handle everything from chopping to shredding and slicing, this model is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Reviews Inside TV, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our honest, in-depth reviews of products just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and if you've already got your hands on this KitchenAid food processor, feel free to drop a comment below and share your experience. See you next time on Reviews Inside TV, where your next great product discovery is just a click away.